Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the settings which you have to turn off right now in iMessages so that it cannot share your data, which means iMessages is sharing your data and you have to turn off the settings right now, which if you want to avoid the sharing of your data on iMessage. So what are these settings which you can simply turn off so that iMessage will not be able to share your data? So first setting is that you have to simply disable iCloud messages. For this you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to the name or Apple ID, and you have to go to iCloud here. So in iCloud you have to make sure that you have simply turn off the backup of your messages. So you have to simply turn off this setting, and the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go for the next settings, which is as you have to simply stop sharing name and photo. For this you have to simply go to settings again, and after that you have to simply go to apps, and in apps so you have to look for the messages, and in messages you have to search for a sharing of a name and photo, and here you have to simply make sure that you have simply turned off the name and photo sharing. And the next thing you can simply go with is you have to simply turn off share with you settings, which is as simply below the share name and photo. So you have to make sure that you have simply turned off these settings also. So you have to make sure about that you have to simply turn off these settings. And the next setting is as that you have to turn off the text message forwarding. So you have to simply go to settings again, and you have to go to messages again, and you have to make sure that you have turned off the text messages forwarding. So you have to make sure about that, and here you can simply check for these settings of message forwarding. And the next thing you can check for that setting is that you have to simply disable read receipt. So you have to go to the settings again and messages again, and you have to turn off the send read receipts, and you can also turn off the second settings, which is as that you have to turn off the send and receive settings. So you have to click on that, and after that you can also check for other settings which can also share your data. But if you want to use the iMessage smoothly, you can simply turn these settings on, because it will activate your iMessage, and you will be able to use the iMessage smoothly. So you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video. If you can more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.